Hello children. So children, take out your textbook. Today we will do the chapter number 9, Desert Animals Textual Content. So take out your book and take out the pencil also. You can note down the answers. First one is true or false. Talk to your partner and say whether the following statements are true or false. First one, no animal can survive without water. That is true. Deserts are endless and dooms. False. Most snakes are harmless. True. Snakes cannot hear, but they can feel vibrations through the ground. True. Camels store water in their humps. False. Now we will do the question number B. Fill in the blanks in the following passage with the above words and phrases. So children, let's start. All animals in forests and deserts struggle to dash in dash. So answer is survive in harsh conditions. Though most of the animals are dash harmless. Some are dangerous when dash threatened. If an intruder is noticed, they attack or bite to save themselves. They struggle continually for food and water. Some animals are called predators because they prey on other animals. So children, I hope you all have written the answers. Even I will send the PDF also. Now children, we will do the next question on page number 118. Now in this, we will only write the answers which are been asked in the bracket. Which animal is the dash? Bracket is tall. The answer will be tallest. Which animal runs the dash fast? Answer is fastest. Which place on earth is the dash hottest or the dash coldest? Which animal is the dash large? It is largest. Which is the dash tall mountains in the world? Bracket is tall. The answer will be tallest. Which is the dash place on earth? It is the rainiest. Which is the dash living animal? It is oldest. So I hope you all have got the answers. Now let's do the next question. Now write 5 sentences like these using most and the clues below. So children, let's start. Question number 1. 90% of bracket people are honest, 10% are dishonest. So answer will be most of the people are honest but few are dishonest. Most of the people are honest but few are dishonest. Next, number 2. Lots of fruits have plenty of sugar. Some citrus fruits are low in sugar. So the answer is most of the fruits have plenty of sugar, but a few citrus fruits are low in sugar. Now question number 3. Every soft drink except this one has lots of empty calories. So answer is most of the soft drinks except this one has lots of empty calories. Question number 4. The majority of films are romances. A few are on other topics. Answer is most of the films are romances, but a few are on other topics. Question number 5. A majority of people agree that he is a good leader, but a few disagree. Answer is most of the people agree that he is a good leader, but a few disagree. So children, I hope you all have written down the answers. Now we will move to the next question. Complete this sentence using cannot and have to or has to. First one, you dash reach the island by land or air, you dash go by boat. Answer is cannot. You cannot reach the island by land or air. You have to go by boat. So answer will be cannot and have to. Second one, we dash see bacteria with our eyes. We dash look at them through a microscope. The answer will be we cannot see bacteria with our eyes. We have to look at them through a microscope. So answer will be cannot and have to. Question number 3. He dash have a new bicycle now. He dash wait till next year. The answer will be he cannot have a new bicycle now. He has to wait till next year. The answer is cannot and has to. Question number 4. Old people often dash hear very well. They dash use a hearing aid. So answer will be old people often cannot hear very well. They have to use a hearing aid. Question number 5. Road users dash do what they wish. They dash follow the traffic rules. The answer will be road users cannot do what they wish. They have to follow the traffic rules. Cannot and have to. Next one. She dash accept this decision. She dash questioned it. So answer will be cannot and has to. She has to accept this decision but has to question it. Last one, 7th one. You dash believe everything you hear. You dash use your own judgment. So answer will be you cannot believe everything you hear. You have to use your own judgment. So children, we have completed textual content. Now we will go for the writing session. Till then, stay safe.